gas detector in the PNI Safe House Dual Gas 250 LR package accurately detects carbon monoxide, natural gases such as methane, propane, butane, ethane, LPG, and gaseous hydrocarbons such as propylene and butylene. Equipped with two semiconductor sensors with long life, versatility, and high tolerance to extreme environmental conditions and corrosive environments, which operate independently of each other, PNI Safe House Dual Gas 250 notifies you instantly when it detects dangerous concentrations of carbon monoxide or natural gas. PNI Safe House Dual Gas 250 offers the best protection against deadly gases, all in one unit. When the gas concentration reaches the preset level, the device emits a visual and audible alarm. The red LED will flash frequently, accompanied by a continuous sound. If the detector is connected to the solenoid valve, it will send an electrical pulse to it. The solenoid valve will shut off the gas flow. We recommend that the solenoid valve be installed only by qualified and authorized personnel. The solenoid valve must be installed in the direction of the gas flow marked on the solenoid valve.